Get ready because OnePlus is back at it again. After launching two of the most powerful Android phones in recent months, the OnePlus 13 and the 13R, the company is already preparing to drop yet another flagship, the OnePlus 13T, and this one's aiming to shake up the market in a way that's, well, a bit smaller. Literally. Unlike its older siblings, the OnePlus 13T is taking a more compact approach. But don't be fooled by its size. This phone is being positioned to compete head-to-head with the giants like Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, it's compact, but it's powerful, and it's coming sooner than you might expect. Mark your calendars. April 24 is the date OnePlus has officially chosen to unveil the 13T in China. The event kicks off at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, so if you're a diehard fan, that's your early morning wake-up call. Or if you're like the rest of us, you can catch up on all the details a bit later that morning. Now, here's the catch, at least for now. This launch is exclusive to China. There's no mention yet of a global release, and the OnePlus 13T is still absent for the company's US, European, and Indian websites. But before you get too disappointed, remember how this played out with the OnePlus 13. It launched in China first and expanded globally soon after. There's a very real chance that OnePlus is planning a similar rollout for the 13T, perhaps even faster this time around. So stay hopeful. This compact beast may hit your region in May. And speaking of beasts, let's talk about what makes the OnePlus 13T so special. The company's own teaser refers to it as a small screen big devil, a term that paints the perfect picture. It's not just a shrunken down version of the OnePlus 13 or 13R. This is a phone with its own identity, and OnePlus is leaning into the compact premium experience. From the first official 40-second promo video released in China, we can already see the focus is on maneuverability and style. The OnePlus 13T will arrive in three color options, gray, pink, and black, and its design swaps out the circular camera island of the 13 and 13R for a smaller, more subtle rectangular module. That change alone gives the 13T a more refined and understated look. Camera-wise, rumors strongly suggest the 13T will come with two 50-megapixel sensors, although that's yet to be confirmed officially. What we do know is that OnePlus is making some serious moves to combine top-tier performance with a more compact form factor. And speaking of size, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 13T is expected to feature a 6.3-inch screen, which, believe it or not, is considered compact by today's standards. Just 5 or 6 years ago, that would have been a big display. Compact flagship with a top-tier chip, lots of RAM, serious battery life, and likely some very capable cameras, all wrapped up in a stylish design available in three colorways. And while it's launching first in China, there's a strong chance the global release won't be far behind. If you've been missing the days of smaller phones that don't compromise on power, the OnePlus 13T might just be your dream device. It's a flagship that proves you don't need a massive screen to deliver a premium experience. April 24 is the big day. It's just around the corner. Whether you're watching the launch live or catching up afterward, keep your eyes on this one. The OnePlus 13T might be compact, but it's coming in strong.